Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up on
Hey superstar, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam Kapama. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. And if you're a regular returning supporter, a day one subscriber, everyday supporter, I so much appreciate you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm back with another super fast ingredient that's going to speed up your hair growth. It's an overnight cactus water for extreme hair growth. This cactus water right over here, it's godsend. It will clear your scalp, soften your hair, and also it's going to restore the moisture and hydrate your hair. So as you know, at this point, your hair, in order for it to grow, it needs moisture. So I'm here to hook you up with the gem that you should not sleep on it, in order to grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous. That being said, cactus or the tuna plant has been used as a natural remedy for natural hair in many different cultures around the world. Cactus has many potential benefits for your hair due to its high nutrient content. Benefits include promotion of soft, strong, healthy hair and scalp. Also, faster hair growth and less hair loss. It can even reverse heat damage as well as protect your hair from the sun. Cactus are sources of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A. Also contain iron, calcium, potassium, and omega-3. Cactus is high in fatty acid, which are great for hair growth and hair development. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant that fights free radicals. Cactus contain amino acid, which stimulate collagen production, which is best for the hair. Plant is great at storing moisture. It's kinda slippery and one of the best moisturizer you can find for your hair due to its high content in vitamins. Cactus coats your hair follicles with a layer of protection, making your hair soft, strong, and shiny. It also protects your hair and prevents it from falling out. It's great for your scalp. A big reason cactus is good for preventing hair fall is the fact that cactus is great for your scalp due to its high content in fatty acid and vitamin E. It will protect and moisturize your scalp and stop itchiness and going to fortify your hair follicles. This is natural moisturizer perfect for restoring hydration to dry, sun-parched hair. Jamaican women use this cactus for this very purpose, using it as a hair mask to restore moisture and softness. It's 100% natural. One of the major benefits of cactus is, of course, it's totally natural. This is what sets this remedy apart from many other hair care products, which strips off moisture out of your hair. Cactus is 100% natural and it's gentle to your scalp and hair. Superstar, the numbers of ways that you can use to implement this cactus plant and reap the benefits to your hair. It can be used as a detangler, as a co-wash, as a conditioner, as a hair mask, or even a leave-in conditioner. Cactus DIYs are the best. They're incredible and perfect for deep moisturizer for dry, damaged, and brutal hair. Superstar, make sure to like this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this job, if you're going to try it, and if you did, what is your experience. I'd love to see your comments and respond to them as much as I can. So That being said, be sure to click the subscribe button and share this video if you can. Recommend this video to somebody who you think we might want to grow their hair super fast, because this gem here, I repeat, it's a game changer. It's a game changer, so don't sleep on this. Yeah. Superstar, this is how I use this water, this overnight water for fast hair growth. I spray it to my hair like such. You know, this African method is really good at drying the hair, so you want to moisturize every now and then. However, what I do is I spray on the scalp and on the roots. I want to take the nutrients direct to the scalp where the hair grows. So you don't have to do it crazily and have your water dripping over you, all over your back. No, just reasonable amount for your hair to be moisturized. Then after, you go in with the sealant. Personally, I use shea butter, the one that I'm going to show you over here, and also I add in some oil to my scalp, hair growth oil. What I use is a mixture of jojoba oil and bunch of other. I'm going to show you. Superstar, that being done, I want you to like this video, comment down below, and please, if you haven't subscribed until this point, please subscribe. I know you might be over there and thinking, what if I don't have the whole night to prepare this water? I just want to do my hair now. Listen, I got you covered. If you want to prepare your hair cactus water for your hair right now, I got you covered. Then check this video right over here. If you're in a hurry, I prepared you instant cactus water for hair growth. This one is going to speed your hair like crazy. It works as effective as this one, so be sure to check it, and I'm going to see you guys in this video